Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to connect your iPhone to your Apple CarPlay from Audi A3 in 5 simple steps. So this is an Audi A3 from 2017. Turn the ignition on or open the central display. But your car has to have already installed from the factory the Apple CarPlay before you want to connect to it. So insert the charging cable to a USB socket from your car and then to your iPhone. So insert the cable into a USB socket and then the other end into your iPhone. After you connect it, then select Activate Apple CarPlay. Then select Yes, I agree to the data transfer. And then select Allow from the iPhone when you see the message Allow CarPlay with Audi MMI while phone is locked. So click on Allow. Now you can see and use most of the installed apps from your iPhone on central display of your car. So you can use this round button to access all the apps. Not all the apps are supported, of course, just a part of them. So now you can use all these apps like Waze, Spotify, Google Maps, Apple Maps, WhatsApp, messages on your screen in the car. It's very simple. Also, you can use Siri by pressing for a few seconds on the voice command button on the steering wheel. If you want to return to the main menu, you just have to click on the Audi MMI icon and that's it. Now you can access radio, telephone, car, settings, whatever you want. Or you can just disconnect the cable from the iPhone. So if you disconnect the cable from the iPhone, you will see this message. So you can return with the back button to the main menu. It's very simple. Click and then you can see the main menu. So if you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.